Okay.
Hey, Japan class is not at over. Okay.
ఎందుకు లేట్‌గా పెట్టేస్తున్నారు ఏంటి సార్ క్లాస్ జపాన్
Uh,
క్లాస్?
I don't know, sir. They తెలీదు. Maybe.
హుహు. ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay, we can start now.
ఇవి వాళ్ళకి ఇది రిజల్ట్ వచ్చినట్టున్నాయి సార్. ఎగ్జామ్ కదా! ఎగ్జామ్
Mhm.
రాస్తే ఇది రిజల్ట్ ఇచ్చినట్టున్నారు పాపం. అందుకనే వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నట్టున్నారు.
Okay. See, yesterday we are this connection. This many connections. This many members were going to connect one member, but we are getting failed. So see, first we have to do one by one. We have to fix one by one. Then we can fix the connection easily. Otherwise, if you go at all at one time, we can't fix it. We don't know the problem where it was happening. So I selected one beam in the B1. A B1 we had given the end plate, but it is failing. But how we have to pass is, I think we are giving the moment connection. This is moment connection, right? So this for this moment connection, there is no stiffness at the back. So this is connecting only. We can see, we check how it is showing. Then we have to analyze how can be. So this deforming completely. Only one one flange is deforming. So we have to have a stiffener. So I had taken already the stiffener operation. Stiffener operation. Just take the stiffener operation from the operation here. It will give automatically. Otherwise, I will take it all again. See, automatically it come. That's all. After giving this, you just run the analysis with the same forces. See, pass. Only one stiffness at the back end. It's done, finished. Like this, one beam is finished. Same thing we can on the B2 now and EP2, which we had given before. Now we can run with this too. First, both beams are at the same line, so the stiffness only is enough. So stiffness are in line with the beams. So only weld is failing. Weld is this one. Actually, the flange thicknesses are high. Generally, the flange thickness will be high, so we can give more thickness for the flanges. Like we can go give 6 mm. For the webs, we can give 4 mm. Here I had given bevel weld already. This also can be one connection. So weld webs 5. Okay, fine. Next we can go with clip plate 1. A clip plate 1 we need B3. No, we need D1. For the clip plate 1, we have taken P1, B1. Okay, clip plate CPL1, CPL2. Okay. Remember, we have to specify. Okay. Now we have to check with this one base first, because if we need more bolt, we can add one more row. For that, we have to get confirmation that it is passing or not. So we will we'll off, we'll run the connection again. So it's passing. Only the weld is failing because the weld is coming on one side. For the tongue, the weld is coming on one side only. So we can have both sides because there is a gap between the plate to hole. So we can have the tongue weld both sides. Okay, now it's passing. So similarly, we'll on remaining D2 and D3 and D4. We'll on this clip 1, clip 2, clip 4, and we'll give. This is for give it for D2. No, D3. Yeah, became. Now before it came. We can select it here D3. D4. Related also to if it is not coming properly. Yeah, CT2. Yeah, correct. It's finished. Now we can run this analysis once. But we didn't give the tongue welds for all. We should see remaining what it is, remaining or failing or not. We should have given the tongue weld also for all plates, all clip plates. Okay, and one more thing is today we are going to close the session. If you have any other doubts like any connection issues, otherwise any connection troubles if you have, means you can ask today, otherwise we'll extend the session one more session if you need only, otherwise we'll end the session today itself. If you have any queries, we will continue, otherwise we'll end the session. So whatever the queries are, you can ask this session itself. Idea Statica successfully completed. If you practice, you will get it. That's all.
Thank you.
See, uh, all are passing except this plate. So either we can increase this plate or giving the weld. This plate is failing. So we should check the plate thickness and we can update the plate thickness. And we can have to see where the remaining here weld is failing. Same thing, you can work on like that and we can close the issue. So, and we'll go for another beam, another connection. B1, B3, it is clashing actually, but we have having this one shear connection. For this shear connection, we are not going to have going to weld the plate. We had taken this one cleat as here you can select B3, this one. So this cleat operation is this one plate operation is came. Now what you have to do is you have to cut the flange. So now I will show you the how to cut it. This number cut if you do it. In surface cut it came exactly, but in bounding box it is not coming. That is the difference between the bounding box and surface. In bounding box it is not cutting correctly because it is not properly to the exact thickness, it is not matching. So if you have it surface, everything the this cutted exactly with the plate. This plate is had selected and it is cutting, so we can give some extra distance between them. Otherwise we can give only 5 mm. It is not touching the stiffener at all now. Okay, now we don't want to have weld, so we can remove the weld. Okay, that's all. Similar connection cut we can give in that down. For this one we have to select stiffener, which stiffener we have to, same thing, done. So it's done now. Now we have to check this beam connection, beam is passing or not, because we are having one more beam is added now, but this beam may have like this is only 2 volt is having. If it is failing, we can have another uh, 2 volt here. Otherwise, we can have another remaining possibilities where it is failing. But before that, we have to change this plate. Check the plate why it is failing. This is failing. Already it is 12 thick. No, this thickness of the cap is 10. it is 12 tick already. Either we can have the another bolt. Can try this whatever, however the possible options can you want the connection only what for one beam on one column. We can have many type of connections like that. We can try as you wish. We'll reduce the plate thickness also, as well keep the same. We'll see. Same thing, this here also weld is failing. You can give tongue both sides. Can give both sides for every tongue. If you select, go and select it, that tongue, it will go to that plate. So you can select that point. Weld also can be selected. Can go and select means can go to that plate. It's already done. If you can select the weld also. So if you select the weld, it will go to that connection where it is. Then you can select that connection. Now we have one more beam. This is also a shear connection, and this connection is different than that opposite shear connection. But how we are going to give this one split one is connected to one. Okay, but either we have to adjust the bolt. No need. We have to cut the plate again. So same cut we can copy it. But we can select the plate. Member is before here. Stiffener is this one. Thing. It will reduce your number of time. Like if you copy the same operation, you can reduce the your time, because you want to give this again, you have to select this one, you have to select this, and you have to select only now this in this operation I have to select only one stiffener plate. So remaining all operations are copied from the top. So that done. Now we can run this file again. You can see if there is any failure, because of many number of members, it is taking more time than I usual actually. So anyone have any doubts? Did you understand what I had said? Did you practice it actually? No one practiced that I know, because license is with me only. You didn't ask me, I didn't give you.
Are you kidding, sir?
Really? No one taken the license from me, except like Gopi only taken, Gopi or Timlesh. No need, finished already. So everything pass. Only the plates are failing. Can increase the plates and you can close the section. That's all. Thank you. If you have any further doubts, you can ask me personally also. Otherwise, anytime if you have doubts, you can contact me. Thank you everyone. Session was passed. Closed.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.